A poor boy. Once there was a boy named Sam. Sam was a poor boy who lived in a small village. His house was old and made of wood. The roof had holes, so when it rained, water would drip inside. Sam lived with his mother. She worked very hard, but they never had enough money. She made bread and sold it in the market every day. Sam was a kind boy. He always helped his mother. In the morning, he would wake up early to gather firewood for the oven. She made bread and sold it in the market every day. Sam was a kind boy. He always helped his mother. In the morning, he would wake up early to gather firewood for the oven. Sam did not go to school because they could not afford it. But he loved to learn. He found old books that people threw away, and he tried to read them. Sometimes, an old man in the village would teach him new words. Sam dreamed of a better life. He wanted to help his mother and live in a house without holes in the roof. One day, Sam was walking in the forest. He was looking for firewood when he saw something shiny under a tree. He went closer and found a small, golden coin. Sam was very surprised. He picked up the coin and ran home to show his mother. His mother looked at the coin and said, "This is very special, Sam. We must not waste it." Sam and his mother decided to use the coin wisely. They bought more flour to make more bread. With the extra bread, they earned more money. Slowly, their life began to change. They saved every coin they earned. Sam was happy to see his mother smile more often. One day, a kind man came to the village. He was a teacher and wanted to help poor children. He opened a small school and invited Sam to join. Sam was so excited. He took his books and went to the school every day. He learned how to read, write, and do math. He also made new friends. Years passed, and Sam worked very hard. He grew up and became a teacher, just like the kind man who helped him. Sam never forgot his mother or the small golden coin that changed their lives. He built a new house for his mother. One without holes in the roof. Every day, he helped other poor children in the village, teaching them and giving them hope. Sam's life was not easy, but he never gave up. He showed everyone that kindness, hard work, and a little bit of luck can change everything. As Sam's reputation as a teacher grew, people from nearby villages started sending their children to him. They admired his dedication and gentle nature. Sam's school became a place where children not only learned to read and write but also learned about honesty, kindness, and courage. Sam's story inspired many parents to work harder to support their children's education. One day, while walking through the market, Sam saw a young boy struggling to carry a heavy basket of vegetables. The boy reminded Sam of himself when he was younger, Sam stopped and helped him carry the basket to his home. The boy's family was very poor, just like Sam's had been. Sam decided to help them. He brought food, books, and clothes for the boy and his siblings. He even invited the boy to join his school for free. The boy, whose name was Ravi, became one of Sam's brightest students. Ravi worked hard and dreamed of becoming a doctor. Sam encouraged him every step of the way. Years later, Ravi achieved his dream and returned to the village as a doctor. He opened a small clinic and treated poor villagers who could not afford to travel to the city. Sam and Ravi worked together to improve the lives of the villagers. They organized health camps and literacy programs. Sam's small act of kindness toward Ravi had created a ripple effect, changing many lives in the village. As Sam grew older, the villagers honored him for his service. They built a statue of him in the village square with a plaque that read, "To Sam, the teacher who taught us to dream." Sam felt grateful but remained humble. He often said, "I was just a poor boy with a small golden coin. It was kindness and hard work that built everything." Sam's story continued to inspire generations. The school he started grew into a large institution, and children from faraway places came to learn there. Sam's legacy of hope, education, and kindness lived on, proving that even the smallest actions can lead to great changes. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to get more interesting stories and support this channel.